Okay, the first thing I want you to use your portfolio for is to do observational drawing. So you'll use a pencil, but I'll use a pen just so that you can see this a little bit better. On your portfolio, of course, we want your name at the top, and then you can title it. This one is Observation. And observational drawing is when you look at an object and you draw it. You start by drawing the contour, which is the outside of something, and the most important lines on the inside. Contour is the outside edge and most important lines. So in this case, I'm going to use a shell. On the first page, I can either continue to draw there or decide to create it as a cover and then open up the first page. That's fine. As you open up your portfolio, you're going to have to press down to make sure that it stays open for you. I'm going to start with this one. So we can put multiple objects on the same picture or on the same piece of paper, but we don't need to. If you want to make one object per page, that's fine. You just might end up going through your pages a little bit quicker, but if that happens, then you'll just make another portfolio for yourself. So now I'm looking at the outside edge, which I've kind of done. I should finish that. Sometimes I like to jump ahead. Outside edge. And then I'm going to look at the most important lines. So on this one, I'm looking at the lines within. So the lines that make kind of that swirl. But then there's actually some different lines that I really want to concentrate on, and that's the details and the design on this shell. So I see a line way down here. Down here, it's kind of a dotted one. And I notice that there's a curve to it. And then I notice that there's this white spot here. I'm going to show that with my lines. The more details you can find on any object, the more realistic or interesting this is going to become. So really search for those interesting lines and designs on whatever you're drawing.